The Skytech Gaming O11 Vision desktop PC is built for gamers who demand no compromise in performance or style. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this gaming desktop at the latest price available. At the heart of this powerhouse lies the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor, clocking in at 4.7 GHz and boosting up to 5.2 GHz, ensuring seamless multitasking and blisteringly fast game load times. Paired with 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 6000 MHz RGB RAM, every aspect of your gaming and creative workflow feels instantaneous and fluid. Backing the system's visual capabilities is the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT 16GB graphics card, which delivers ultra-smooth 60+ FPS performance even at 4K ultra settings. Whether you're diving into fast-paced shooters like Counter-Strike 2 or exploring immersive worlds in Elden Ring, Shadow of the Erdtree or Baldur's Gate 3, the visuals remain crisp, detailed, and beautifully rendered. The 2TB Gen4 NVMe SSD storage is another standout, offering up to 30 times the speed of traditional HDDs, perfect for storing large game libraries and cutting down on wait times during boot-ups or transitions between levels. Cooling is no afterthought in the O11 Vision. The system is equipped with a robust 360mm ARGB AIO liquid cooler that not only keeps thermals under control but also enhances the aesthetic with brilliant lighting. The stunning black Lian Li PC-O11 Vision case adds a premium touch, featuring tempered glass panels to showcase the internals and RGB flair. Connectivity is strong too, with built-in Wi-Fi, HD audio, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, and a full range of USB ports including USB 3.2 Gen 1 for high-speed data transfers and peripherals. You'll also appreciate the inclusion of a free gaming keyboard and mouse, making this system nearly plug-and-play out of the box. All of this comes backed by a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, along with free technical support. Whether you're streaming, editing, or playing the latest AAA titles at maximum settings, the Skytech Gaming O11 Vision delivers top-tier performance, elegant design, and rock-solid reliability. It's a ready-made solution for those who want to elevate their PC gaming experience to the next level.